park so sunny and bright. Let's laugh and play in the morning light. Milo and Lily with Bobo too, and Muffin the dog all say woohoo! Oh no! Trash! Oh no, what's this I see? Wrappers and bottles beneath the tree. We wanna play, but first, oh dear, let's clean it up and make it clear. Mommy's lesson. Mommy says, kids, come take a look. Cleaning the park is a great little hook. We nod our heads and clap, yay, yay! We'll clean the park and then we'll play. Pick it up, drop it into the bag with a happy grin. Lily holds the bag so wide. Milo puts trash right inside. Bottles go in the bin, that's blue. Paper and green, that's what we do. Sparkles shine when we recycle